I paid $7.99 for this little plant stand with legs on it, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that in just a second. Now, how cute is that? Just take a regular, ordinary plant pot, whatever your heart desire. The actual utensil holders run anywhere from $12.99 to $14.99 and up. And of course, this was purchased from Home Goods. I guess the time has come to make your housework easier. These little footies come 5 in a pack, and you put them on your feet and dust the floor. How goofy is that? Let's try them out.